Hey there, YouTube fam. Get ready to hop on the madcap ride of friendship as we dive into the much-anticipated Bollywood blockbuster, Dunki, starring none other than the king of Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan. This roller coaster promises a perfect blend of comedy, tragedy, and nostalgia. And we've got all the inside scoop from the latest trailer drop. I'm Shaykil, and let's get started. The Dunki trailer, aptly named Drop 4, gives us a sneak peek into the heartwarming tale of friendship and dreams set in the quaint village of Laltu in 1995. Shah Rukh Khan himself, the man, the myth, the legend, shared the excitement on his Instagram. Can you believe it's finally happening? He wrote, "I started this tale in Laltu. I will end it with my friends. Now, that's a promise." The Dunki trailer takes us on a journey that began with Raju Sir's vision, promising a madcap ride filled with friendship, comedy, tragedy, and a wave of nostalgia for home and family. The trailer opens with Shah Rukh's character, Hardy, standing on the edge of a train, setting the stage for an epic narrative. We're introduced to his buddies, Suki, played by the talented Vicky Kaushal, struggling with learning English, and Manu, portrayed by the incredible Taapsee Pannu, offering unwavering support to Hardy against language bullies. The camaraderie among this trio is nothing short of heartwarming, adding a perfect touch of humor to the storyline. And then, enter the ever-charismatic Bowman, Hirani as their English teacher, promising to turn them into English-speaking pros for a chance at life abroad. The friends justify their dreams by drawing a parallel to the British rule in India, emphasizing that language is not a barrier to success. But hold on, it's not all fun and games. The trailer takes a dramatic turn as it unfolds their perilous journey, crossing borders, facing challenges, and even wielding weapons in the face of danger. It's a gripping tale of determination, friendship, and the pursuit of dreams against all odds. Now, brace yourselves for the most intriguing revelation towards the end of the trailer. Shah Rukh unveils his look as an older Hardy, 25 years into the future. Dressed in a yellow and blue striped t-shirt, sporting a gray beard, he's seen participating in a race. This marks Shah Rukh's second portrayal as an elderly character after Vikram Rathore in Atli's Jawan earlier this year. Talk about versatility. Dunki promises to be a poignant exploration of four friends' quest to achieve their dreams of reaching foreign shores. Drawing inspiration from real-life experiences, the film weaves together disparate stories in a manner that is both hilarious and heart-wrenching. So, mark your calendars, folks. Dunki, produced by Red Chillies Entertainment, Geo Studios, and Rajkumar Hirani Films, is set to hit the silver screen on December 21. It's Shah Rukh Khan's third film of the year, following his action-packed roles in Pathan and Jawan. Get ready for a perfect blend of emotions, laughter, and a timeless narrative that will undoubtedly resonate with audiences. Are you as excited as I am? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Bollywood updates. Until next time,